ole ama sain thir tu te chebe ga bu le vek chewa tu chuma chuanin Celine Dion an sei to a kan video ma sa po khan ni zana Olympic honna khanin opening ceremony a khanin aron zai ne chu live perform ka hria to a chon a ayanal ka hrelawani ti kha an kat nu kani chon Celine Dion poron Tawngchhuak hialania asani somni pali opening ceremony ka zai thei hi kalom le maya chon ka khopui enge Paris khopui hi ka du berani helai muna perform thaya ka om hi kalom tak zetani aron tia chon engki ma chon heti ang hun ro pui in fiam na ro pui tak ti sang sang buat saya amuna lo dong song tu tele enge amun ma jong jong buat saya siam tu te thokrim tak tak te chunga hianin lom thu ka soi tak zetania chonang mani po thei tok chuwa lo tling nei turin tu sana sang ber ka la tak vek chuani aron ti pokania engponi sen komna kan ngai thap khotanga kan soi zui dor ne.
On Friday, I am Celine Dion. When Access Hollywood spoke to Celine at the premiere of the film in June, she shared how eager she was to return to music and her fans.
I just want to say we really admire you for showing up tonight and for sharing your truth truly in such an amazing way. And this documentary, it's so inspiring, so powerful. How does it really give a raw and honest look at your life pre and post diagnosis?
Well, if you know me a little bit or a lot or maybe not, I just want you to know that I'm an open book all my life. I did not disappear from what I love the most, singing and performing for my fans. They've been supporting me all my life. It took a while because it's a rare disease and I had to go through and find a great team of doctors and to go by elimination and finding what's going on because I could not go on anymore in that way. So once they found that I was that I had an immune disorder that's called SPS, I said to myself, it is a responsibility, first of all, as a mother for my kids. And then I was thinking, okay, rehabilitation, working really hard, body, mind, soul, vocally, all in. It's like it's constant. I wanted people to know that I did not disappear, turn my back, and not finish my career, and I'm done, and that's it. No. I'm still extremely passionate, and I miss my fans. They got me here where I am today after 40-something years of career. I don't even want to count. The most important thing is this documentary telling the world why I was away, what's happening, to have this awareness about, because we've received so much letters of encouragement, but also people with questions.
You have your children. They've been here, such a source of joy. How have they really been by your side and supported you through this difficult time?
They gave me a lot of support, and then I said, if I want to keep going and go back on stage, the first thing that I have to do as a mother is for me to find out for myself what's happening.
Tuna soyang khan Celine Dion hianin anat na tri bai om tak mai kha vai ani chu kan video ma sapa karon sai to ania om zia chon ti sholte khatiang chi mani du thu re ni lawa aron che phut ang chi tele taksa chaklo kan tiang chi te khang khan ni vekani chung chu avai ania khong I thak le ni chon ama khanin chunat na wang chon akadu ber zai lampanga a career zong te e kanuam ti bera tagin lak ran kania chuan ti khan nga thei topin ka fight ani ma amaro chu hetiang har satna phela tang hian amal somna halo omti ka chhar chuaka ka fa te tan anu ni na lutzia te ka hriat chhuwa pha a ka fa te po ka enkol thei pha a chuwang chung ka lo mani ka fence tam tak te ti beidon ka tum ngai lawa beidongin ka siam ngai lawang chuan ka fa te pon min support a keipon anu ka niangin ke enkol zel dor ani chuan ka fence te tan ka lo le to a chu ba ka lomom chu om lowe aron ti ni ang poni se Celine Dion ina Olympic hnuah life as na khachu copyright thil vela wain karon da lo me nga amaro chu channel rang khat en tur kha om thawani ti ha karon soine chorin hai kan muang hian mizoromnews.com hianin Hmeichhe vo thin tu man ani aron ti ve kul mai ani hi tonge ani a khoi khuange ani ti te chuan eng tiang takin nge alo vo be thin kan thlir chiang dor ani a bi takin Mizoram chunga hian hetiang thil hi hei tun nai hian a thleng chho nuk to mai ania hmeichhia te vo be a khatiak anga tha a vo ang chi te ni chu a poi hle mai a chu tun tuma hian eng ang takin nge alo vo be thil thlen da kim chang news in a ron tarlan kan chiar do na champhai police te chuan tu hnai kha hmeichhe blackmail thin tu lan nun moya kumsom hni pathum bung zum khuwa champhai district an man bengwana thudon danin champhai police hian nula pakhat ne na tagin complain an donga an chui zui ani lan nun moya hian hmeichhe hi whatsapp kal tagin poisa adu le du lo azota hun engemaw chen anin biak nuwa amal pui langa thla alak chuan apek tur thua hrilani hmeichhe thalak lang thui deuh hlek anei hnuah azamo a hrut lai en turin avowa a en lo chuan a thalak a the dar tur thu a hril hmeichhe hlau hian zamo a hrut lai chu video kal tlanga enin mipa hian alo screen record ani a hnuah thawmhnaw in bel manglawa thalak thon tura ti ni in a thon lo chuan a video le thalak te the dara hmeichhe hi vo le a hi a vo le ani hmeichhe mang ang police nena a zor kawin lalun moi hi man anita ani aron ti nia engpon isa he kan muang hian a bulbera chon poisa ania chuan enge henula hi a thiam lutuk ani amaro chu hetiang anga enge atir te a timayang ai alo yes na khanin a zel kha kaltira nia to pa hlau thong le ania chumei baka poisa hi ani taka chuanin enge kan du lutuk to hi chuan thil tam taka hian poisa khi ka lo nei vak to lo tlang pui ani chu mihring ni phunga hian thil ni dan ania hi helaya po hian whatsapp kal tlangin poisa du le do lawa zota hun engemaw chen ai biak nuwa hanin thleng chho zui ania chu jina kan tiang khan poisa hi ha taka kan tho chua dik taka tiak anga kan tho chui hlu berane ni lem lawa ha dam si engtinan chumi thalak chumi non sinla chu bisa chu ka peng che han tiang tai pang chi te tun la ya lar to hle maya chu an mani pahnia po hian betam takarin hial lui ani tuna kan sir zo chi a po hian chu tiang khop chu ni a chu soyang khan tun la ya mi zo mei chi te a po ha dam taka sum lak lu she mi lawang chi te an kat nuk to ani a facebook a te han enila tam lu tu ani chu tiang chu ani awangin anin hial bang theilo mai thei ani he thil thlenga hian chuan maro chu hetianga vo pe a iti lo chuanin i video le thalak te ka the dar dor ani tia a vo be lai tak he a thiam lo hul ania chuanin hei police in lalun moi hian man reng ani hetiang thil thleng hi mizawa hian a ron thleng nuk to maya poi hle ni lalun moi hian hmeichhe dang pali vel post sum an du le do lo zo tin an thalak le video dil thrina chung thalak mang chuan a vo zui thrina ni hmeichhe anga social media a inlan tirin chung thalak le video ta chu midang hnena a hral thin bok sim card pahnih na in pakhat zawk chu hetianga chena atang hian a hmang thin hmeichhe bum thei lo te pawh a nei bok aron ti nia engpon se kan muang hian hmeichhe anga in hmang khanin te khan mi padang hnena a va hral thin ania chun chu a tek kharon vor ve zek ani chuan he kan muang hian hmeichhe bum thei lo te pawh nei bok aron tia he hian in ngei tuna ti thui hle ani sum kan du ani chuan ha taka thoa fer taka kan nei ai hlu hi a om mi lo ani